We began as an ambitious journey in 2015, and today it's an award-winning and trusted name in real estate, known for delivering world-class projects. Our successes have been fueled by our values and ethics, which have helped us earn the trust of hundreds of happy customers. UberCorp is unique in the real estate market because we've known that thoughtful development starts with teamwork. And so we collaborate with some of the best minds in the business who share our vision and join us in our tradition of excellence. We are extremely hopeful about the future as we expand our horizons into other cities.